Hello. Let's learn colors. Deep green color, yellow color, deep blue color, violet color, red color, brown color, blue color, black color, orange color, light green color. Today we try to learn ABCD. So let's start. A for apple. B for boat. C for cow. This is alphabet D. D for donut. E. Kids, this is E. E for elephant. F for frog. G for grapes. H for house. I. Kids, this is I. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. Kids, J for jellyfish. K for kite. L for lollipop. I love lollipop. M for moon. N for necklace. O for owl. P for pearl. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for star. T for turtle. U for unicorn. V for violin. W kids. This is W. W for water. X. This is X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for YOLO. Z. Z for Zoo. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.